are hundreds of busy little bees right here in this patch of blanket flower, also known as Mesa Gaillardia. It is just gorgeous and popping this spring, and the pollinators are out here in droves. They are just covered in pollen all over their little legs. Mesa Gaillardia is an herbaceous perennial that blooms after the first frost through the summertime into the fall. Now this is a very profuse bloomer, excellent for the pollinators, a wonderful addition to any type of pollinator garden. Now these are on long stems with those single large heads, and so they make for great cut flowers. Not only are they beneficial to our pollinators, but they're also beautiful to enjoy in the landscape and to bring indoors. Now these don't require a whole lot. They can be directly seeded, or you can buy transplants. Mesa Gaillardia is actually a Louisiana Super Plant, so it's an excellent landscape selection. Now these get about 18 inches, almost upwards of 2 feet, and the spread is about the same. These will produce seeds and actually spread seeds, but again, a beautiful bloomer for the spring through the summer and into the fall. It will continue to bloom with these gorgeous yellow and red flowers that the bees and pollinators just love. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.